In-flight safety demonstration.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please direct your attention to cabin crew near to you who will be demonstrating the safety features of this aircraft. Each set is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push end together. Tighten the seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift the whole buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp object from your body. Put it on, slide the vest over your head. Take the tape around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, fold down inflation jacks to inflate the vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Blow to increase air and push pin inward to release air. Lights will automatically illuminate once the battery tab is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from this aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop from your compartment above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breath normally. If you are traveling with a child, first put on your own mask and then the child mask. Keep the mask on until you are advised to remove it. Please take note of an emergency exit marked along each sides of this cabin and exit nearest to you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the light will illuminate leading you to the exits. There are also fire extinguishers found in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. Have a fun flight, everyone.